Hello my dear children, how are you all? Must be feeling marvelous, right? We started our day in such a marvelous way. So now my dear children, tomorrow it is Talented Tuesday. And on Talented Tuesday, as we always do, we are going to begin our day by wishing everybody good morning. Then we are going to thank God for what all He has given us, and then do some exercise and practice some simple commands. And yes, then we get introduced to the concepts that are taken in our EduMax class. So tomorrow, my dear children, my foundation children are going to get introduced to the letter G. G for goat. And my Shem Prep junior children are going to get introduced to the number 8. And Shem Prep senior children are going to learn about the numbers that come before. So, my dear parents, the children, those who have registered for these classes, they only join us for these interactive sessions under the program EduMax that begins at 11 o'clock soon after the assembly. So if you wish your children to join, so please click on the link that we have shared or call us on the numbers that are shared in the chat box. And as you all know, tomorrow it is also the nutrition day. So we will also be talking about bit of nutrition. And then in the evenings, we have the EduMax Plus program. And if you want to have a lot of fun, you have to register for the EduMax program, under which we have various skills for you. We have talk show, we are learning how to be good at a grammar, we are learning how to speak confidently, we are learning how to pronounce the words confidently, we are learning about phonics, and we are also learning about the life skills, which teach us many things, that how can we be independent, how can we be more organized, and yes, we also have be flexible for you. We are learning different forms of dances, and yes, we also have be creative for you, where you're learning how to use different craft material for creating different things. And if you want to have all this fun, do register for the EduMax Plus program also. So, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care.